This video is a continuation of the previous one. This time too, the troubles continued. The electric rigger boat manages to pass a decent running test. However, since there is no know-how for this kind of boat, it is a process of trial and error. Load the mechanism onto the second boat. The battery was moved forward to optimize the center of gravity. And the motor is smaller and lighter. This is a motor mount. Later, the receiver case was also made smaller. First day of the test. If you make the propeller a small diameter based on the kV value of the motor, it won't push the water. It's dangerous, but I'll make the propeller bigger and test again. Stop. Stop. Exhaust gas? It's not a gas-powered boat. Did you get this result as expected? The ESC is already 10 years old, but the load was probably too heavy. I replaced it with a reliable hobby wing product. I will also replace the motor again. Sponsons are also fixed. Prevent flooding. It seems to be running without any problems. The first stage is clear, although it's slow. Is it going about 37 miles per hour? Propeller also feels like the air is rotating a little. Well, that's a challenge for the future. Now, after today's results. One of the reasons why it feels slow is that the battery is old. The one from 4 to 5 years ago was originally 6S. Slightly flooded. Apparently waterproofing with tape doesn't do the job perfectly. In addition, this hull was originally intended to carry a glow engine, so it seems that the propeller is set to about 45 millimeters for the 21 engine. Modification would be troublesome to reduce the size, so I'll try adjusting this for a while. See you again, goodbye.